Hello, and today we'll be making vegetable fried rice. Let's start cooking. First we add the oil, then garlic. Stir until golden brown. Next we'll be adding chicken meat to the pan and start stir. Stir until golden brown. Now it's golden brown, we push it to the side to add our eggs. We add 2 eggs to the pan. Next, we add garlic. Now stir together. Now add the carrot. Next, add gailan. Now stir until cooked. Now add steamed rice. Now stir well. Now add chili paste. Add soy sauce. Stir well. Add chicken powder. Stir. Now we serve. I hope you like that recipe. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye!